Hey there YouTube, this is ShadowFan094 here. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing video for the 2011 Club Nintendo Platinum Prize, and I had already opened it. Okay, so first let's start off with the white box, which is Mario, Goomba, a coin, I forget his name, and next is a yellow one, which is Luigi, Camera Brother, Koopa, and Spiny. Next is the blue, which has Cheep Cheep, Bullet Bill, a Blooper, and I also forget his name. Next is the green, which has Toad, a mushroom, one-up mushroom, and a paratrooper. Next is the red, which has a shell, a star, a fire flower, and the piranha plant. And last but not least is this black one, which has Goomba, another one of those guys, Fire Mario, Bowser, and Peach. Okay, now they all have like different kinds of box like pictures, so yeah, I'll go ahead and make this one. And okay, and here you go. It has a mushroom right here. Next is, I think this is a Goomba, yeah. Oh, that's right. Yep, and here we go, a Goomba. Yep, and last but not least, we have Mario. And there we go. Okay, then it asks Cleveland right there. Okay, rate, comment, subscribe. Alright.